Like, subscribe, and get notified.
The organizing of mega events at Kala Academy and Bandodkar ground at Kampal is a nightmare for Kampal residents. The parking in the Kampal by lanes lays a siege on Kampal residents, and they, especially senior citizens, are unable to get in and out of their house. Despite CCP resolving not to organize or allow mega festivals at Kampal, Emperor Shah, his art and culture department and his event management company has organized the mega Lokutsav festival. It is a shame that even 37 years after statehood and 12 years of BJP rule, Goa does not have an exhibition ground like that of a Pragati Maidan, New Delhi, despite being ranked as one of the best performing small states. Lokutsav has seen a number of controversies. One infuriated former councillor pointed out a parking scam where even as 1/3 of the Dayanand Bandodkar ground was to be reserved for parking. Stalls have been put up in the parking area, which she attributed to greed and money. Kampal residents put no parking posters on all the trees in the Kampal by lane to protest the parking of cars in the residential area.
From the contract made between the agency and art and culture department, that 3/4 of this ground has been earmarked for parking. You all have a look and see if there's any 3/4 left. Everything covered by stalls, toilet, water, garbage, whatever. And there's hardly any 3/4 left for parking. As a result, all the parking comes into residential areas. The minister has the audacity to say that the people of Kampal are not complaining. Mr. Minister, we are fed up of complaining. We are really fed up of your department. Please stop this Lokutsav if you cannot handle it. I hear you have 500 stalls. If you can manage 100 stalls, take 100 stalls. Don't overdo it and take 500 stalls when you cannot manage the area. But we are not going to allow them to park in the Kampal residential area. We've taken too much from this government, too much from the CCP, and I think now we've got to take action in our own hands. We are already fed up with the digging in the city, everything is choco-block, and the ministers are happy having festivals, not looking at the problems that the citizens are facing. You can't even walk in the city. Moreover, you're giving us more cars coming into the city, and this Lokutsav, for whom? What is this? This is basically, I call it greed. And they just want to make probably more and more and more money and take it where I don't know. But this is the fate of the Panjim citizens.
हांगा कितली गर्दी जाता आमकां भायर सरपाक पासून त्रास जाता आनी केअर करीच ना लोक. इट इज नॉट द फॉल्ट ऑफ द पीपल ऑल्सो. कित्याक इतलो व्हडलो प्रोग्राम लोकउत्सव जाता पळय तो हांगा कांपाला, इट शूड नॉट बी हियर. It actually should be at Shyamaprasad Mukherjee Stadium. That's the correct place. Zaga baro ha, all Shyamaprasad Mukherjee Stadium is big. Plus Zaga side that also is big. So any amount of exhibitions can be held there. And additionally, म्हापशेचे लोक आहा पळय ते ताका सारके सोंपे. Direct highways on पावले ते across the bridge, come to Mamouliman and take a right turn and तिका पावले ते. म्हापशाचे, वास्कोचे, मडगांवचे लोक ताका सारके लागीं पडटा. आनी इट्स नॉट फार फॉर पेंजीम आयदर. हे आतां आय थिंक मिनिस्टराचे ताका हें जालां पळय तें कितें दे आर कंटिन्युअसली ट्रायंग टू डू पेंजीम फॉर वॉट? टायम इज पास्ट वेर प्रोग्राम्स आर स्मॉल. नाव द प्रोग्राम्स आर मॅसीव. गाडयो कितल्यो आतां कोण सीक पडत जाल्यार हांगा भायर सरपाक एम्ब्युलन्स येवपाक चान्सूच ना.
Secondly, on a day prior to Lokutsav, there was a huge frustration among local vendors who complained to media at the Art and Culture Department office that they had not received forms, whereas some families had received 4 forms, alleging favoritism in stall allocation.
इवन तो जाता सेल्फ हेल्प ग्रुपाचो माझो आयटम आसा, म्हाका सिलेक्ट जाला स्टॉल. आतां हांवें तांकां सांगलें की म्हाका फूल स्टॉल दिया. लास्ट इयर म्हाका फूल स्टॉल दिलो, हांव म्हाका फूल स्टॉल दिलो. तांच्यानी फूल स्टॉल दिवंक ना. आतां हाफ स्टॉल दिलो तितूनच आतां आमकां घरा.
आतां तुमकां फूल स्टॉल कित्याक दिवंक ना? हेचें रिजन सांगा.
ना स्टॉलां ना रेशन
सगळे जाणां भितरल्यान आनी आपापल्या मनशाक हाडून स्टॉलां दिता. आमी आतां 5 दीस जाले हांगा आसा. आमकां फक्त सांगता उरलेले तितले करून आयज आमकां लास्ट डे म्हणून दवरिल्ले हांगा.
कितें म्हणटा प्रेशर
मारतात ते सगळे जाण भितरल्यान आनी एका एका घरान 4 स्टॉल दिल्या. हांवें विचारलें आमचेच कित्याक रिजेक्ट केला जाल्यार तो म्हाका म्हणटा तुमी कोण आमकां विचारपी.
Third, On day 1 of Lokutsav festival, 2 stall aspirants, Pankaj Kumar from Uttar Pradesh and Sutappa Bunya from Maharashtra, had paid money for the same stall. At least another 7 stall aspirants said they had got their material but not got their stalls.
आता ह्या कार्डाचेरूय स्टॉल नंबर 42 हा आणि ह्या कार्डाचेरूय स्टॉल नंबर 42 हा. पळयता एका स्टॉलाचेर 2 जाणांचे बुकिंग आसा. आपने मैडम कितना पैसा भरा है? 10,000 आपने भरा है, 12,000 उसने भरा है. एक ही स्टॉल नंबर पे 22,000 पहुंचा है. ये सबसे बड़ा मतलब चौक है. तो मैडम वो आए थे आपको पूछने के लिए ये स्टॉल के बारे में. ये भाई साहब
देखा मैं उनको नहीं, उन्होंने नहीं आए. हर एक जन कोई आए थे. हाँ. मेरे को बोला आप पर्ची दिखाओ, तो मैं उनको पर्ची भी दिखाई. और मेरे को वेस्टर्न जोन से मेरा सिलेक्शन हुआ है. मैं वेस्टर्न जोन से आई हूँ.
The fourth irregularity was when a former CCP councillor caught red-handed workers of Super Clean Agency Vasco who were given the tender for collection of garbage, dumping garbage into a CCP truck. The event organizer stated that they had been given the tender of only garbage collection and not transportation. So the transportation is being done at the cost of public exchequer.
See, this Lok Utsav is going on, organized by the Art and Culture Department, okay? I've come to know that they have an agency employed to put up the stalls, to arrange for parking, to collect the garbage, to segregate the garbage, to take it where, I don't know. But this is all with the agency. CCP is not involved in this in any way. But now, to pick up the daily garbage, it's CCP trucks that are coming to pick up the garbage, and CCP is not getting payment for this. Besides, I asked the councillor of the ward, our ward, please get me the license issued by CCP for this festival. So she says, I got a message last night saying nobody is aware of it, please ask the commissioner. I've been trying to phone the commissioner even now. His phone is going to it goes to voice call. I tried calling the mayor, Rohit Mansurat, he's not picking up the phone. So this is the issue, that CCP is collecting the garbage, taking it to Sant Ines, not getting paid for it. All this money goes from taxpayers' money. The citizens of Panjim are paying for all this rubbish that is being done by the CCP. So this has to stop. In fact, I have a mind to tell them to unload all the garbage back again and let the agency who is supposed to take the garbage come and pick up that garbage. I have a mind to tell them to do this, because it's not fair that the CCP picks up the garbage. CCP is not being paid. Taxpayers' money is being used for this. It's going to Sant Ines for treatment. The wet waste is also being collected by them, which is going to the site near Hira petrol pump.